Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on PS5. First, navigate to the PlayStation Store and download the eFootball application, which is free to play. Make sure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free storage on your console. Once installed, launch the game and connect your DualSense controller. The game will guide you through an initial setup process and a helpful tutorial. This tutorial covers basic movement, passing, and shooting, preparing you for your first match. Mastering basic controls is crucial for effective gameplay. Use the left analog stick to control your player's movement, guiding them across the field. For passing, a quick tap of the X button delivers a short pass, while the triangle button sends a through ball. When shooting, press and hold the square button to charge your shot, aiming for the net. On defense, the circle button allows you to tackle or apply pressure to the opponent, aiming to win back possession. To elevate your game, incorporate advanced techniques. Try a 1-2 pass by pressing L1 and X, then X again for a quick give and go. For powerful shots, hold R2 while pressing square to unleash a stunning shot with increased accuracy and speed. Utilize the right analog stick for intricate dribbling and skill moves, allowing you to beat defenders. On defense, quickly switch between players using the L1 button to maintain a strong defensive line and cover open spaces. eFootball offers several engaging game modes. Dive into Dream Team mode to assemble your personalized squad, signing top players and developing their skills. Participate in daily and weekly online events to earn experience points, GP, and other valuable rewards. If you prefer playing with established teams, the Exhibition Match mode allows you to choose from a wide selection of real-world clubs. Continuously train your players to enhance their attributes and unlock special abilities, strengthening your team for future challenges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.